y'all, it's DeeDee. Welcome to another vlog. If this is your first time tuning in, go ahead and click that subscribe button for all my return subscribers. Thank you. So y'all, I have driven like an hour to get my nails done. I get my nails done way out here. I think this is Frisco I'm at. But anyways, I want to do like some cute Christmas nails. This is my old set, well, the current set that I have. Hold on, let's get it so y'all can see. Focus. Okay, there we go. I don't know why I wasn't focusing, but anyways, this is the old set. So I'm going to switch the shape of the nail. I'm going to do square, really short. And I've seen some cute little Christmas designs that I want to try, so I'll do that. One, I think I'm gonna get a design on all the nails. One nail, I don't really know what I want. I'll probably just let her freestyle. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get my nails done real quick. I don't know if I'm gonna film or not, because sometimes it'd be too hard and too messy to film inside the nail place, and I be playing music, so I don't know, we just gonna get out the car and figure it out. Y'all hear that music? See, that's what I'm saying. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to film or not, but I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like in here. It's really pretty in here. Asking me a whole bunch of questions, giving me random stuff to do. I'm like, wow, this is really good. Okay, this is the set. Wait a minute, let's see. Can y'all? Yeah, that's better. Right here. Okay, so this is my nail set. I think she did a great job. Look how cute. The bow, then I forgot what this is called. And then a little swirl, and then snowflake for the thumb. So this is the final look, and I absolutely love my nails. The nail shop is like, ooh, an hour from my house. Actually, it's an hour and 10 minutes away. But if you take the toll, then it is, what is it? If you take the toll, it's 50 minutes. So you save 20 minutes by taking the toll. But I ain't gonna lie, you take like 4 different tolls to get out here. So it's costing a little penny, but I have the toll tag thing where I think it's like they take $20 off each time. Like it's a $20 balance. Then when you get low, they just automatically take like another $20 off my credit card. So that's fine. I come out here. I only get my nails on like every 5 weeks. So at the end, I guess it'll work out. But I'm about to go home so I can change clothes and go to work for a few hours. I think Adrian is picking up the kids, so we'll be good. Oh my God, y'all, my back has been hurting. I don't have my tripod. Booyah. My back has been hurting since I came back from the nail salon. Cam, please stop. When I tell y'all, I have been on this, Adrian went and picked up the kids, and I've been on this heating pad. Girl, my back is killing me. He asked me how did I sleep, and I was like, well, I slept kind of wild. Well, I didn't sleep wild. I didn't feel like I didn't sleep good because Callie had woke up at 3 o'clock and said her ear was hurting. And she had been having, had already been diagnosed with ear infection, right? So, yeah, I didn't sleep well after that, but I didn't think I slept that bad. But I'm thinking, you know, if I would have woke up this morning, then I would have felt it. And he was like, no, sometimes it happen later on. So it's hurting really bad. Oh, look at my nails. I'm not used to my nails. I think they are so cute. But, yeah, I'm in pain. So I was on the phone with my mama, and I was playing in Doordash, trying to see how much it would cost. I was going to get the kids Chick-fil-A. Then I was like, well, maybe I'll get them a pizza. Long story short, on Chick-fil-A, I put in 1 kid's meal that was like $8.99, and then a regular like 4-piece chicken strip, I think was like 11 something. So the total for the food came out to $28. So then when I go to act like I'm gonna pay for it, it's dark over here. When I go to pay for it, it jumps from $28 to $48. So $20 for delivery fee. Well, delivery charge, all the fees, and then the taxes and DoorDash tips. So I was like, $48 for a kid's meal and a regular meal. So then I got out of that. I said, let me try the pizza place. So then I did like an extra large pizza, which came out to like 26, 27. And then with all the fees, I think it ended up being like 35. Yes, Callie. Here I come. Either way go. The pizza was cheap. I said, Chick-fil-A, y'all wrong. So I just ordered pizza. And then I was up here, and I always put in there that I want them to hand it to me. Don't leave no food on my doorstep, okay? And so I heard the doorbell, and I was trying to run downstairs. Luckily, the dude was cool. I was like, oh, my God. I got here as fast as I could. He was like, nah, you good. Because girl, my back. So now I got to probably go back upstairs and get the heating pad. But listen, as soon as the pizza came in, I went ahead and ate my piece right then. And then I had the kids come downstairs, so I got them set up. But I'm going to go get the heating pad and just sit downstairs with them while they eat. Adrian is at work. He should be home probably about 8:30. He didn't leave till 4, so he should be back by 8:30 because he had already worked this morning. So me and the kiddos are about to chill. Everybody got their devices out, ain't paying attention. But this is the, oh, I thought it had the name on it. Dang. Anyways, this was the extra large pizza. The pizza is delicious. Callie, the pizza is not hot. It's called Brooklyn Pie. Water. Girl, you are so dramatic. It's not even hot. Okay. Go. No, I'm not going to chase you because Cam got all this stuff in his hand. Callie, please go. Go, mama. Tell her to go, Cam. Callie, go. Okay, well, go to your room. Thank you. Go to your room. Thank you. Oh, Lord, we just got through eating. Callie lightweight showing out. Per usual, she's so bossy doing what she want to do. Callie, you got to stop, mama. Again, my back is still hurting, so I'm going to sit down for a little while. Oh, maybe that helped my back. What? Your tummy hurt? Okay. Wipe your face, mama. You want anybody to see you cry? You're a big girl. You okay? Yeah. Okay. Mama got to put the heating pad back on her back because her back hurt. Yeah. You got over that fast, didn't you? We got to get Cam to say, hey. Cam, you want to say hey? Hey.
I'll say hey too.
Okay, say hey.
Hey.
Ooh, daddy. Cam, time to brush your teeth.
No.
Yes. Tell him to brush his teeth, Callie.
No way.
Yes way, Cam.
No.
Yes, yes, yes.
No way, no.
What I say? Look at me, Cam.
Yes, you are.
Yes. Go brush your teeth.
Yes, you are.
Go brush your teeth.
Yes, you are.
Go brush your teeth. You done got off track with the thing. The ring you supposed to be telling Cam to brush his teeth. Go brush your teeth. Go brush your teeth. Go brush your teeth.
Yes, you are.
Tell him, Callie.
Go brush your teeth.
Go brush your teeth. Come on, Tookie. You want to have a stinky breath.
Come on.
Why you keep wanting to scare me? So goofy. Don't scare me.